Dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I come back with something new, that is some suggestions, some tricks and some hintful tips regarding IELTS exam. So how you will get band 7 or higher in the IELTS. Before starting, I would like to request all of you to subscribe my channel for more updates. Here are some helpful hints and tricks. First one is understand the exam structure. That is for all modules, writing, speaking, reading and listening. How the exam is conducted, how the marks are divided and how we have to perform in these all modules. Second, speak English aloud for at least 30 minutes to an hour every day. Then listen to podcast and English language television news and documentaries and try to interpret it. Try to understand it. Then record your voice and listen to it as well as same speech spoken by expert. Means compare your voice, your speech and the expert speech. Then broaden your vocabulary or lexicon. Then during speaking, answer properly, not too fast as well as not in slow motion, and give the answer in clear words. Then practice speaking with friends, family or by through some applications. You can improve English by various applications. Here I have mentioned some applications. These are the Hello English app, Talk, BBC Learning or Learn English from British Council. This is the very important application. Then learn every day 5 to 10 words on different topics. Then for listening, follow Cambridge lessons. You can get it from YouTube also. Then habituate yourself to read lengthy articles in newspaper, that is in English language, and or books regarding various approach, various topics related to IELTS or related to current affairs. Then complete the mock test of all 4 modules by your own every day. Then pay attention during writing and reading and read questions twice before answering. Next, study the exam scenario and practice in that manner. Before taking the date of IELTS, you have to practice in the same manner that IELTS examiners take your exam. Then set the goal but dream big. And last but not the least, and very important, is have a faith in yourself. Work hard and the world is yours. Thank you friends. For more updates, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you all of you once again.